Earthbondhon, Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Any question write in the comment box. More update please subscribe our channel. Notification to press the bell icon. Hi everybody, today I will share about exclusive OR gate IC plus NOT gate IC equals exclusive NO or logic gate. Exclusive OR gate IC number 74 LS86 plus NOT IC number 74 LS14 equals exclusive NO or IC number 74 LS266 create all IC number 14 pin. IC voltage positive connection pin number 14. IC to IC voltage positive terminator connection. IC voltage negative connection pin number 7. IC to IC voltage negative terminator connection. Exclusive OR gate IC pin number 1 input A. Exclusive OR gate IC pin number 2 input B. Exclusive OR gate IC pin number 3 output NOT gate IC 1 pin number input. NOT gate IC output. Exclusive OR gate input A0. Exclusive OR gate input B0. Exclusive OR gate output 0. NOT gate output 1 for light on exclusive NO or gate IC working. Exclusive OR gate input A0. Exclusive OR gate input B1. Exclusive OR gate output 1. NOT gate output 0 for light off exclusive NO or gate IC working. Exclusive OR gate input A1. Exclusive OR gate input B0. Exclusive OR gate output 1. NOT gate output 0 for light off exclusive NO or gate IC working. Exclusive OR gate input A1. Exclusive OR gate input B1. Exclusive OR gate output 0. NOT gate output 1 for light on exclusive NO or gate IC working. Thanks for watching the video. Don't not forget to like and share. Please subscribe our channel.